Java Edition. Java Edition is the original version of Minecraft and remains the most customizable. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, it supports mods, custom servers, resource packs, and early access snapshots. It is still actively supported and remains the preferred version for many longtime players. Bedrock Edition. Bedrock Edition was designed to run across multiple platforms including Windows, consoles, and mobile devices. Its biggest advantage is cross-platform multiplayer, allowing players on different devices to play together. It is currently the main version of Minecraft and continues to receive major updates. Pocket Edition. Pocket Edition was originally created for smartphones and tablets. It helped bring Minecraft to millions of mobile players around the world. In 2017, it was merged into Bedrock Edition and no longer exists as a separate version. Console Edition. Console Edition was developed for systems such as the Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and Wii U. It featured split-screen multiplayer and controls optimized for gamepads. These legacy editions have been discontinued and replaced by Bedrock Edition on modern consoles. Education Edition. Education Edition was created for schools and learning environments. It includes classroom tools, coding lessons, chemistry features, and collaborative learning activities. It is still actively supported and used in classrooms around the world. China Edition. China Edition is a special version of Minecraft released exclusively for players in China. It includes region-specific services, account systems, and features designed for local audiences. It remains available within China. Minecraft Earth. Minecraft Earth was an augmented reality version of Minecraft that allowed players to build and explore using real-world locations through their phones. It combined Minecraft gameplay with AR technology and encouraged outdoor exploration. The game was discontinued in 2021 and is no longer available. Minecraft Dungeons. Minecraft Dungeons is an action-adventure spin-off inspired by classic dungeon crawlers. Instead of building structures, players battle enemies, collect gear, and complete missions. It remains available and offers a completely different gameplay experience from traditional Minecraft. Minecraft Legends. Minecraft Legends combines action and strategy gameplay within the Minecraft universe. Players command allies, build defenses, and lead armies against invading forces. Major development ended in 2024, but the game remains playable. Minecraft Classic. Minecraft Classic is a browser-based recreation of one of the earliest versions of Minecraft. It contains only basic building mechanics and a small selection of blocks. While no longer developed, it remains available as a nostalgic look at Minecraft's beginnings. Raspberry Pi Edition. Raspberry Pi Edition was created for the Raspberry Pi computer platform and allowed users to experiment with programming inside Minecraft. It became popular among students and coding enthusiasts. The edition is discontinued and no longer receives updates. New Nintendo 3DS Edition. New Nintendo 3DS Edition was designed specifically for Nintendo's handheld console. It adapted Minecraft for portable play while maintaining the core survival and building experience. The edition was discontinued following the end of support for the Nintendo 3DS family.